Potato chips are a snack that Americans popularized in the 19th century. Lay's potato chips were first sold in 1932. Nowadays, potato chips are enjoyed worldwide and have become a staple at all gatherings. In this video, we visit the Frito-Lay production plant and explain how the popular Lay's potato chips are made. Lay's and Fritos went from being competitors to becoming partners, forming the Frito-Lay Company in 1961. After 4 years, the company merged with Pepsi-Cola to create PepsiCo. This factory is one of the largest and most advanced in Europe for PepsiCo. Its capacity allows the plant to produce up to 4 tons of potato chips per hour. Every day, more than 750 tons of potatoes are received and processed on 4 production lines to obtain delicious potato chips. PepsiCo is one of the largest buyers of the harvest. Each year, the company buys around 240,000 tons of potatoes. The potatoes are processed continuously, so there's no need for storage. After growing and maturing for 120 days, the potatoes need a wash before they can begin their journey. Sorting and washing are done at the farmers' facilities. Lay's potato chips are made with top-quality potatoes. The company provides its partners with the necessary technical knowledge, seed potatoes, and tools to grow the potatoes. The potatoes are then moved to the washing station. Water is used as a transmission agent to help remove dirt and any foreign material. The water needed for the process is reused. It's time to peel the potatoes. Once the required amount is weighed, the potatoes are moved to the peeling machine. The drum walls are covered with an abrasive surface on which the potatoes move. This removes the thin layer of potato skin, preserving the nutritional values directly under the skin. Peeled potatoes are transported to a quality control station. The state-of-the-art machine rejects products with visible defects, such as dark spots or scratches, which could be harmful to the final appearance of the potato chips. Selected potatoes are taken to the cutting heads. The drum walls are fitted with special blades. These can be flat to make regular potato chips and wavy to make wavy potato chips. As the potatoes enter the drums, they start spinning, and the blades cut the potatoes with great precision to the 100th of a millimeter, ensuring uniform frying and the desired texture of the potato chips. The plant produces 5 types of potato chips in over 40 different flavors. Afterwards, the potatoes are dried and transported to the potato fryer machine. They are fried in a hot blend of sunflower oil. The potato fryer has a state-of-the-art quality control mechanism that photographs each of the potato chips. The product must meet the highest quality standards. The potatoes are lightly salted for the best flavor. Later, the potato chips need to be seasoned. Natural seasoning blends, including chili and pepper, are used. A few rotations in a special drum are enough to coat the potato chips evenly with seasoning. Since the potatoes are hot, the seasoning easily adheres. From the drum, the potato chips are transported to the packaging line. This is where the potatoes are weighed. Each scale is equipped with 16 trays. Computer-controlled dosing units move the potato chips from the trays so that the actual weight of the package corresponds to the value indicated on the package. Packaging rolls are used, and the potato chips are placed into bags. Once the necessary dosing is done, the package is sealed with heat at the top and cut. It takes processing 3 kilos of potatoes to produce 1 kilo of potato chips. 100 million bags of potato chips are made in this plant each year. The ready packages are placed in cardboard boxes. One of the autonomous robots places the boxes on pallets. The product is then moved to the storage area. Every day, over 100 trucks loaded with potato chips leave the PepsiCo plant to be delivered to customers throughout Europe. They're ready to be enjoyed at home. If you enjoyed the video, you can watch similar videos clicking them on screen. Also, subscribe to this channel by enabling notifications to keep learning.